didn't have to drop it on me. Dear Tim and Moby, how do we stick to the Earth? Why don't we just fly off into space? From Chrissy. Sometimes I wish Moby would fly off into space. Yeah, whatever. Now, let's talk gravity. When Moby let go of that apple, it dropped towards the Earth and hit me along the way. There's a reason that objects fall to the ground instead of flying off into space. This reason is a force called gravity. Gravity pulls objects together. Everything in the universe has gravity. The Earth, the Sun, the Moon, apples, even you. In 1687, a scientist named Sir Isaac Newton came up with his theory about gravity. Newton reasoned that gravity depended on two things, mass and distance. Massive objects exert a stronger pull than less massive objects. And objects that are far apart exert less gravitational force on each other than objects that are close together. In the 20th century, Albert Einstein expanded on Newton's ideas with his theories of relativity. Good going, Einstein. According to Einstein's theory of general relativity, massive objects actually bend space and time. Think of it like this. If you put something massive on a trampoline, like a bowling ball, the surface sinks in a little. Put a light object nearby, like a marble, and it rolls towards the bowling ball. Back to our question, Earth's gravitational field pulls you toward the center of the Earth. Since all objects possess a gravitational field, you're actually pulling the Earth towards you too, but since the Earth is so much bigger than you, you don't really feel it. An object's mass isn't the same thing as its weight. Mass has to do with the amount of stuff in an object, and weight is the force exerted on an object's mass by gravity. On the Moon, an apple weighs 1/6 as much as it does on Earth. It's the same apple, but the Moon's surface gravity is weaker, because the Moon is only 1/6 the size of the Earth. Weaker surface gravity means that astronauts can jump 6 times as high on the Moon as they can at home. The Moon's gravity pulls at the Earth, causing tides. Gravity keeps the Moon orbiting around the Earth, and the Earth orbiting around the Sun. Gravity even holds the planets and stars together. Gravity is one of the most important forces in the universe, as far as we're concerned. Without it, we wouldn't even have a planet to stand on. Moby,